Good morning, ma'am and sir. My name is Christy Aquino Acub, 35 years old, single. I live here in San Antonio, Delfin, Albano, Isabela. My father's name is Ariston Acub and my mother is deceased. We are 5 children in the family. I have 1 brother and 3 sisters. I am the second child of the family. I have a local experience here in the Philippines. My first employer is from 2008 to 2009. I served 5 family members in the family here in Quezon City. My second employer is from 2010 to 2013. I served 4 members of the family here in Batangas City. And from 2022 of November till present, I served 4 family members here in Batangas City. We have 1 pet, a dog. I do household cleaning, I do laundry, I do iron, I cook, and I go to the market once a week. Thank you.